Want to learn how to turn off notifications on YouTube? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to turn off notifications on YouTube, first of all, open up YouTube just like this. Tap on this profile icon on the top right corner, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on notifications. So to enable or disable notification, you need to tap on the sliding bar on the right corner one by one to turn it off. On the top you can see here's an option of scheduled digest. That is, you're going to get all the notifications as a daily digest at 7 p.m. and you can tap to customize delivery time. When you're doing it, you can see your schedule has been fixed, and now you can tap on this sliding bar next to all of the options on the right corner, select this one by one, and your changes will be saved automatically. And yes, now the notification has been turned off for YouTube. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.